So they've already pumped all of this coolant in there and trying to weld or to solder it with the pressure on that, and it's just not going to work. So he tried, but he failed. So we have to pull all the coolant out of here before you can do any kind of welding or mending or changing these pipes. It's just, that's the only way it's going to work. And this right here was a bad idea. So we had to go back to their shop, get uh, another pipe, come back and reestablish all those welds and put brand new pipe in there, because this completely screwed it up. That was a big mistake on their part. And here you can see the coolant squirting out. I mean, it doesn't take much to see that that thing's just been destroyed. That was way bad. See that? Look at all the coolant just squirting out of there. So really, what's going to happen is it's just going to all leak out right through there, and then they're just going to have to take that whole collar off and put a whole brand new line of copper pipe on there.